Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to make this wrist wallet, which is very useful. Also you can use as a bracelet or band on your wrist. It looks very nice and beautiful. Mainly you can use this to hold the keys, cash, or it is very lightweight, and without carrying a purse you can travel, you can go for play, or you can go for walk. Also you can use this for your kids if they are carrying a key or some few coins or anything. You can keep it in it, so they won't be missing this. Wherever they go, they will bring it back safely. So I found this as very useful. That's why I made one for my kids. So I just want to explain you how to crochet this wallet. So let's start the project without further delay. I have here the cotton yarn. You can use any yarn. Here I use the acrylic, and now what I'm going to show you for that project, I'm using the cotton yarn. Hook size is 3 mm, and we need a pair of scissors just to trim the ends. Let's start this project with a slip knot, and we are going to make chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have here 16 chains. Now yarn over 1 2 3 4 5 into the fifth chain. 1 2 3 4 5 into the fifth chain. We'll make a double crochet. Chain 1 into the same stitch. We'll make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, third chain. 1 2 3, we'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, again inside, 1 double crochet. Again yarn over 1 2 3 into the third chain. We'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, again 1 more double crochet. Yarn over 1 2 3 into the third. We'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, inside this 1 double crochet. Yarn over 1 2 into this second last chain. We'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 1 2 3, turn the project, yarn over, inside this V stitch we'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, inside this 1 double crochet. Yarn over, again into this V stitch we'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, inside the same 1 double crochet. Yarn over into this V, we'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Yarn over into this V, we'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Now yarn over into the third chain, 1 2 3 of the last double crochet. We are going to make 1 double crochet. So we have finished here 2 rounds. Same like this, we are going to continue 5 rounds. Now let's make chain 1, turn the project. This is our first single crochet. Into the next 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14. We have finished here 14 single crochet stitches. Now let's make chain 1, turn the project into the next stitch, 1 double crochet. Same like this, we are going to continue. Let's repeat the same pattern for the couple of rounds more. I have finished here 15 rounds of single crochet stitches. Now we are going to work the flap. For that, chain 1, turn the project 1, this is considered as a 1 single crochet, into the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 2 and skip 2 into the third, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again chain 1, turn the project into the next 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, including this chain, it will be considered as 6. Inside this 2 single crochet, then into the each chain we'll make single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now chain 1 and snip this yarn. Now let's insert the hook into the very first stitch, and then we'll pull this yarn through this loop. We are going to make single crochet stitches on this row. So 1, chain 1, go into the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 13 and into the last 14. So we got here 14 single crochet stitches. Now let's make chain 1, turn the project into the next 1 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Again chain 1, turn the project. Same like this, we have 9 more rounds. We will continue with the single crochet stitches. We'll leave little longer yarn to sew the parts together. So friends, here our project is ready. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.